dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, as we're giving a back-to-back update and information as today hot. If today now your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the latest news happening on social media. Hi people, the matter what I record given out today be say the Edo State Governor Okpebholo don't come and come talk why in sworn in 3 judges rejected by Obaseki. The next one we go carry given up be say the Edo State Government Election Tribunal begins pre-hearing on Monday. Hey, my people, the matter don't set like this. So, but guys, before I go proceed, I go like welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. I thank you now well for joining us on today's wonderful news. All right, my people, make I know that the mentor. The Edo State Governor Okpebholo on Monday don't come swore in 3 judges who were shown by Governor Obaseki administration during the swearing-in of 5 of their colleagues last year. So Okpebholo come and talk say he did it in fulfillment of his campaign promises to right the wrong of his predecessor. My people now go remember the National Judicial Council in June 2023 cleared and recommended 8 judges for Edo State High Court. The immediate past governor, Obaseki, however, went ahead to swear in 5 of them, leaving out of 3 others. So the affected judges are Justice Ojo Osa, Okundamiye Jeff, Odohoho Ebobe, supervising their swearing-in at the Festival Hall of Government House on Monday. Okpebholo can say, they do this thing in fulfillment of his inaugural speech, having promised to look into the case. So he noted that 11 months after the recommendation of the National Judicial Council, that only 5 of those recommended were sworn in as judges by the immediate past administration, leaving out 3, even when they had all been cleared and recommended by the National Judicial Council. Some other they talk say no one should be discriminated against, marginalized or hated for personal reason or on account of not having godfather. So he charged the new judges to uphold a high standard of conduct, that they should ensure fair dispute resolution, they should uphold rights of citizens and bring culprits to justice. During the swearing-in ceremony as the governor of Edo State on 12th of November 2024, Okpebholo acknowledged the critical role of judiciary under doctrine of separation of power. So today, Okpebholo don't come out, come gather all of them to strengthen the role of judiciary. Hence talk say the National Judicial Council in June 23 had recommended 8 persons for appointment as judges of the Edo State High Court. The 11 months after that recommendation, only 5 of them were sworn in by the immediate past governor, leaving 3. That even when they have all been cleared out and recommended by the National Judicial Council, Obaseki went ahead to inaugurate 3 of them. So, in his inaugural speech that he made on November 12th, Okpebholo come out and say he go fulfill the campaign promises, that they have the privilege to right the wrong of Obaseki, that the 3 judges will now have the opportunity to sit with their colleague at the branch of Edo State High Court to discharge their duties, that for him, no one should be discriminated against others. He said no one should be marginalized or hated for personal reasons or on any account of not having a godfather. So he says judges of the State High Court that what he expects from them is for them to uphold a high standard of conduct, ensure fair dispute. Now waiting just want for them. So responding to that, Ojo on behalf of others thanked Governor Okpebholo for the opportunity given to them to serve as judiciary in Edo State. So she appreciated Governor Okpebholo for making their swearing-in a reality, that just 3 weeks into office that Okpebholo have been doing wonders. So I go like make una chook mouth for this matter, make una tell me what I think, what I feel for this matter. I go like hear from una once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The 3-man tribunal headed by Justice Wilfred Oche is appointed to entertain the 7 petitions filed by different political parties and their candidates to challenge the victory of Okpebholo. I mean, the matter that's set. The State Government Election Petition Tribunal is set to begin pre-hearing on the petition challenging the declaration of the All Progressive Congress candidate Okpebholo as the winner of the September 21st, 2024 poll. This was revealed to newsmen by Secretary of the Tribunal, Muazu Bagudu. My people, you guys can recall that the Independent National Electoral Commission on Sunday, September 22, 2024, declared Okpebholo the winner of the poll after polling 291,667 votes to defeat candidates of the People Democratic Party and of the Labour Party, Okpebholo and Olumide Akpata, who scored 247,274 votes. That one is for Okpebholo. Why 22,763 votes was for Olumide Akpata. So, most of them were not satisfied with the result that was announced by INEC. The PDP and the 6 other political parties who participated in the poll approached the tribunal to challenge the outcome because they don't understand. So, my people, the 3-man tribunal headed by Justice Wilfred Akpoche is appointed to entertain the 7 petitions filed by different political parties and their candidates to challenge the victory of Okpebholo. So, the PDP in particular is asking the tribunal to nullify the results and instead declare their candidate, Okpebholo, the winner of the election. So, in a suit number EPT/ED/GOV/01/2024, the Accord Party and ANO have dragged the INEC, Okpebholo, and the APC first to third responded before the tribunal. Also, the PDP Okpebholo, acting as first and second petitioner in suit number EPT/ED/GOV/02/2024, also approached the tribunal to challenge INEC's declaration of Governor Okpebholo as the winner of the poll. INEC, Okpebholo, and APC are the respondents in the petition, my people. So, other petitioners are Alliance Party, Adekunle Rufai, Omaje versus INEC, Okpebholo, and APC in suit number EPT/ED/GOV/03/2024. And Nehru Abdullahi Aliyu and Social Democratic Party versus INEC, Okpebholo, and APC in EPT/ED/GOV/04/2024 also approached the tribunal. So, Gwegbe Osaro Sylvester and Allied People Movement versus INEC, Okpebholo, and APC EPT/ED/GOV/05/2024. Akime Kingston Afera and Action Democratic Party versus INEC, Okpebholo, and APC on EPT/ED/GOV/06/2024. And Akalime Aminogbohe and Zenith Labour Party versus INEC, Okpebholo, and APC in suit number EPT/ED/GOV/07/2024. People now go remember say 1 week before the conduct of the September 21st governorship election in Edo State, the National Judicial Council inaugurated the Election Petition Tribunal. So now, my people, many people don't come out and they tell Okpebholo and Adams Oshiomhole say may they start to pack their bags. So hey, because the day of reckoning is fast approaching. The people say they know say Adams Oshiomhole and Okpebholo are in a rush to loot Edo dry within the next 6 months. They said they don't know say Okpebholo and Adams Oshiomhole don't release their touts, their Curtis and Agboros on Edo lights, and at the same time trying to endear himself to them with rush projects. They ask a question say, who be the person wey go fast launch flyover wey be say he never get quotation for that project? He say make they fast, they pack their bags because days of reckoning are fast approaching. My people no be small while I go like make una chook mouth for this matter, make una tell me wetin I think, wetin I feel for this matter. Go like hear from una. Let's keep the conversation lively. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us.